Okay, dear student, in the last class we have discussed application of phase rule to the two component system. Particular example is it's a Bismuth-cadmium system. Okay, so I have left with two more points in this. One is what you mean by phasing mixture and what is meant by eutectic mixture, and what's the main difference between these two. Okay, so today already we have came across with the word eutectic point, eutectic composition, and what is that eutectic mixture also. Just we need to review that definition. Okay, so first I am going to start with phasing mixture first, followed by eutectic mixture. So as we know, when salt is added to water, what happens? Its freezing point goes on decreases. So freezing mixture is used to create lower temperature for water, because when you add any salt, any non-volatile solute to this solvent, that is why as water, its freezing point goes on decreases. As its freezing point goes on decreases, we can say that we can able to attain lower temperature by mixing salt to the water. So therefore that mixture is called as it's a freezing mixture. So freezing mixture means it's a combination of two or more than two components. Okay, so when freezing mixture is the mixture of two compounds. It may be water and salt or other things also. Okay, but the only thing is this mixture of two compounds is used to produce lower temperature, as already said, the temperature is lower than the freezing point of any these two compounds. Okay, so that's what we said. Freezing mixture is a mixture of two compounds which is used to produce lower temperature. The temperature is lower than the temperature which is lower than it's a freezing point of any these two compounds. Okay, for example, if I take water, for water the freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, if I add around 2 gram of NaCl to this, its freezing point is now not said to be 0 degrees Celsius. It may be it's less than 0 degree Celsius. If we add 2 gram of salt to the water, that produces a freezing mixture, because it's a mixture of two compounds which is used to produce the lower temperature than the freezing point of any one of the components present in that particular mixture. Okay, so this is about the definition of freezing mixture. Okay, so but when you go on adding NaCl to the water, its freezing point goes on decreases and it reaches to a minimum lowest temperature that can be attainable by dissolving more and more salt in that particular solvent, and that particular combination of two components or two compounds is called as it's eutectic mixture. Is called as eutectic mixture. What do you mean by eutectic mixture then? As I said, it's in general. When salt is added to the water, its freezing point goes on decreases, and therefore mixture of any two compounds which is used to produce the lower temperature is called as a freezing mixture. When lowest temperature is attained with lowest minimum temperature, when the mixture of two compounds reaches its lowest minimum temperature, then that combination is called as its eutectic mixture. Okay, so it's a lowest minimum temperature attainable by mixing two components, and the temperature is lower than the freezing point of any two components. Okay, so again we can say that it's the mixture of two components or any two compounds which attains lowest temperature, at which both the components are crystallized. At which both the components are crystallized. That means what? This is the lowest temperature we can attainable by mixing any two components, and at that particular temperature, both its liquid form as well as its solid form, they are in equilibrium. That's what I say, at which both components are crystallized. And please remember, this temperature is again lower than the freezing point or melting point of these two components. Okay, so this is the simplest way to give the definition for freezing mixture and that of eutectic mixture. So as I already given an example for eutectic mixture in Ki and water system, or you can take Ki when it is added to the water. Under particular composition only you can reach this point, that's the lowest temperature that can be possible for the mixture of two components, when 52% of Ki with respect to mass and then remaining 48% by mass of water. Under this particular composition, lowest temperature attainable is -22 degree Celsius, and therefore we have called this as eutectic temperature, and this is the eutectic composition. At this composition, Ki and water system acts as eutectic mixture. So this is the meaning. Okay, so when the percentage of Ki to the water is less, the temperature is higher than this one, so that is called as freezing mixture. When it reaches the lowest temperature that can be attainable by mixing two components, where at that particular temperature it is both the components are also get crystallized, and again they are in equilibrium with its liquid state also. So therefore, and at this particular composition only, this is the lowest temperature possible. Other than this, the temperature is not this much lowest, it is more than this one. Okay, so therefore this lowest temperature is attained when the Ki and water composition is this much, and this mixture of Ki and water is now called as an eutectic mixture. So this is all about the unit, that is phase rule. Okay, so this completes with the unit phase rule. So here in this unit we need to concentrate on the phase rule for one component and two component. Particularly you have to give more importance to the phase rule for one component system, water or sulfur system, and two component systems are very easy. When you study the one component system, application of phase rule to one component system, it's very easy to explain the application of phase rule to the two component system. Only thing is, for two component system, you have to take condensed system. For that we have to use reduced phase rule. Fine. So, and then you have to give little bit concentration or equal concentration to the initial terms involved in the phase rule, like what you mean by phase, an example, what you mean by components and an example, or what you mean by degree of freedom and example, and the statement of phase rule. Okay, so this much is enough to go through this particular unit, that's phase rule. Okay, so thank you.